Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daydran. Television Jamaica producer Camille Barrett has been involved in the World Broadcasting Union's WBU and the United Nations Office of Disaster Risk Reduction UNDRR Global Media Saving Lives Initiative Phase 3, which focuses on sustainable tourism in docuseries format. Barrett's objective is to emphasize how artists associated to the non-profit arts organization Kingston Creative have revitalized dead walls in downtown Kingston with stunning artwork drawing tourists such as American actress Kerry Washington. Ms. Barrett stated in an E-Prime exclusive that she transformed neglected locations into creative venues.
For Jamaica, with the Kingston Creative, it's a case where they transform neglected spaces into art spaces where persons come, they enjoy the murals that are on the wall, and visitors from across the world and also locally enjoy the space.
Ms. Barrett also emphasized the project's focus on sustainable tourism.
With the docuseries, it is the theme across the board, sustainable tourism. So you have 12 producers from the different parts of the world. The goal of the project is to showcase sustainable tourism. How is it that persons in those parts of the world are able to create an experience without creating a negative impact?
The 4-part docuseries titled Tourism Tomorrow will premiere on TVJ tonight and aired for 4 weeks. The series of 30-minute episodes will highlight what other countries are doing for the sustainable tourism industry in other parts of the world. Friends and family members of missing dancehall entertainer Medic pleads for her return. The artist has been missing since August 24 and was reportedly last seen boarding a taxi outside her apartment. Medic's mother says there has been no communication from her team.
I'm not hearing nothing at all from her friends, from the team. Nothing at all. I don't even know who they are. I don't know them!
Medic is best known for songs such as Money Feelings, Overcome featuring Shano, and Boss Level featuring Javilani. Now, Sinead O'Connor's unreleased track, the Magdalene song, premieres in a television series. The track made its debut during the season finale of mystery drama series The Woman in the Wall. David Holmes, the show's composer, who has worked with the Nothing Compares to You singer, confirmed that she gave permission for the track to be used in the series before her death. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daydran. Thank you for watching.